Why a museum? A museum is culture, it's our past, and it's our future. I've been involved in many different types of things, and I think if we take a look at an individual's life, I was a boxer, and I found that, frankly, we never know what's going to happen. And in the ring especially, I was knocked out one night, and I still won the fight, and it's not giving up. It's a cause and saying whatever we do in life, don't give up. And the museum is a cause. It's to dream and say, how can we make Tampa better? How can we make Tampa a great city? And the museum is doing this. This is perfect for Tampa right now. We couldn't be blessed with a greater facility, greater opportunity to get children to light up and say, what a neat idea. I'm delighted. This is exciting. That's the purpose of this.